Good afternoon, my dear. How are you? Hope all are you doing good. So, welcome to you all another video. That video number 4. This video gonna very much important for you because first of all, whatever I told you, these things are very much important for our learning English or speaking English skill. So that is why focusing on this thing. So don't waste time, let's get into the video. so today we today we have diphthong. How many diphthongs are there? Are 8 diphthongs. Diphthongs are vowel sound which we can say double vowel sound. As in a previous video we studied about monophthong, single vowel sounds. So today we will study about diphthong. How many diphthongs are? Diphthongs are 8. Diphthongs means double vowel sound. So here is the sound symbol. Here is the sound symbol represent E and I. This is not actual E, I. This is the symbol which represent this sound. Next is EU, AI, AU, EI. These are not the actual letter AI, EI. These are the symbols. We have to recognize these symbols. We should know about these symbols. So what these symbols represent? These symbols represent sound in English. Suppose I will tell you what this symbol represent in Urdu. What sound this symbol represent? It represent O sound. Suppose alif pesh O sound. So these are the symbols like this in English. So these are the symbols: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or eighth. Okay. So this symbol represent the sound. Here is a Hindi sound, here is Urdu sound. So this symbol represent AE. What do we say? A, alif ye, alif ye, E. This is not the exact writing. I am just write here to pronounce for Urdu knowing student who easily know the sound of alif ye A, alif ye E, AE. So sound, what actually sound is? This symbol represent the sounds A. How we pronounce it? A. So how we can recognize it in a sentence or in a word? Suppose here are examples. Here is say. Now how we pronounce it? If we know the symbol this, we can easily recognize the sound of this word. Say, pray, break, egg, AI. This sound is AI, AIA. Say, pray, break, egg. Got it? So here is next symbol which in Hindi like this, in Urdu AO. Here I write alif zar A, alif peshwa, alif O, AO. So this symbol represent the sound in this word go, go. Generally we pronounce go. Snoop. This is wrong. This is a wrong way to pronounce the word like that. That is why I am saying 90% of people are not able to read or not able to speak because they don't know the exact sound of the word, exact sound of the symbol. Suppose in Urdu here I write अलिफ पेश ऊ, तो इसकी साउंड क्या होगी? ऊ। अगर इसको मैं यहाँ पे एक लेटर लिखता हूँ, मैंने लिखा अलिफ पेश ऊ, here I write alif pesh u lamzalla ula. So we know that the sound of this symbol is u, so we will read it ula. If we don't know the sound, exact sound of this ula, ala, ela, हम कुछ भी पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं, हमें exact recognition ही नहीं है उसकी. So same like here, this symbol shows how we pronounce a word, how much important these symbols are. So first of all, we have to recognize, if we want to learn in spoken English or if we want to learn English, we have to know these sounds. So here second sounds, go. How we pronounce it? A-o, go, go, snow, snow. So here come to the this sound. Here is a, a, my, I, my, I. We mostly student pronounce it my, I, my, I, my, I. This is wrong. My, I, my, I. So next, fourth, this one, as symbol suggest, symbol like a, u, u. So here sound is also alif, al madda, uwa, uwa. So how we pronounce it? Let's understand with example. Now, now nahi, now, N-O-W, now, now nahi, now, 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 cow, cow, how are you, how are you, how are you? Okay, let's come to the next. So here number 5, this is the symbol. So this represents the sound I, a. How it would be pronounced? I, ear, ear, I, ear. How, for example, near. What you should pronounce, and what the most people pronounce? Near, 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 dear, tire. Most people pronounce it tire. Near, beer and tire, but not near, beer, dear. What this sound symbol suggests? Ear, near, near, dear, tear. ठीक है? Most of time these are is silent in British accent, so we read it near, or is silent near, beer, tear. So next, this represent I, a, alif, ya. For Urdu knowing student easily understand this easily, they would easily understand. A so similar like this here. So here ball, here हम क्या पढ़ते हैं इसको here, but it is not here. Here or remain silent. Here stare, here stare. Here stare. Let's come to the next. What this symbol suggest? Ua. Here 99% people make mistakes to pronounce this. This is what most of students pronounce tour. Poor, cure, but it is wrong. How we have to pronounce it? Ua, tour, tour, T-O-U-R, ua, tour, poor, cure. Let's come to the next. This symbol represent a. Here, next one, a, and how we pronounce it? Our. H remains silent here. Our, flower. So these are the 8 diphthong. I hope you people got this, and I suggest you to remember these, to practice these, to do some mouth exercise to pronounce this. If you people once recognize the 44 sounds, you will be a 50% English master. Thank you.